In this quick tutorial, we'll show you how to connect the Databox MCP server to Zapier so you can easily automate your data workflows. Click on App Connections in the left sidebar menu. Click the Aim plus Add Connection button to start. Click inside the Search for an App text box. Search for MCP and select MCP Client by Zapier from the drop-down list. Click the Add Connection button. In the server URL field, enter the Databox MCP server address, https://mcp.databox.com/mcp. Leave the other settings as they are and click Yes, Continue to MCP Client by Zapier. In the next window, click Allow to grant Zapier access to your Databox account. Click the three dots icon next to your newly created connection. Click Test Connection to verify that everything is set up correctly. And that's it. Your Databox connection is active and ready to be used in Zapier.